All right, so for the past couple days, I've gotten this series of comments from this one guy. Starts off with, "Can you make a tutorial on marketplace service?" And he keeps going for video 12 of asking for a marketplace service tutorial. So you know what? You win. Here's your marketplace service tutorial. So I'll be honest. I've never actually used marketplace service to like service, right? But I did look at it a little bit, and I kind of understand how you would use it, right? Like it doesn't really seem that complicated. So how you would get it is you don't have to make it a variable. I will just marketplace service is game, it's service, marketplace service. So what can marketplace service actually give you? Okay, so like what functions and what events does it actually give you? Let's start off with functions because I feel like those are usually more useful. So yeah, we have the basic like wait for children, or wait for child, get children, set attribute, get tag, but then it has the actual useful stuff, such as get product info. Okay, so what this needs is it needs the asset ID of your product. Um, and then I think also like the info type that you want to receive. Yeah, and then that's gonna give you the yeah. So then like if you want to get something, you would need like asset dot description, right? So this will give you the actual info type of the product. You have prompt purchase, so this will prompt the user to purchase an item with the given asset ID, right? And then you can have other stuff. So you know this is like the player who you actually prompt to. This is the asset ID. This is whether it should be equipped. This is the currency type. Players own assets, so this tells you whether the player owns an asset or not, whether they own this asset ID. Let's see what else. Yeah, bundle. So all of this is kind of the same thing. It's just kind of checking and prompting. So for example, prompt bundle purchase, right? Prompts a user to purchase a bundle. Prompt premium purchase, prompts a user to purchase Roblox premium. Prompt for product purchase. So a lot of these are prompts. A lot of these are just finding out if a user owns a specific thing, like a Game Pass or product or bundle or whatever. Again, prompts, developer products, prompt subscription purchase. So yeah, Roblox actually is releasing like a thing called subscription, which is really interesting. I actually really like subscriptions as like I know people are like, oh, subscriptions are bad. Like no, they're not, bro. Like many people buy them, and they're actually an amazing way to monetize your game. So I actually quite like this, and I think it's like you pay like what like 400 Robux or something per month to get like the limited legendary banana gun in your favorite game or whatever. Subscription status, subscription product info async. So again, returns product information, and this returns the payment history, up to 1 year of the user's subscription payment history. So this is for subscriptions, okay? So this tells you the history of their subscription purchases within the past year, okay? Then we have the events. And now the events are fairly simple, okay? So something like prompt premium purchase finished. So this fires when the Roblox premium purchase modal closes. So whenever the player finishes purchasing Roblox premium, you can fire that event, right? This will call back to a receipt, right? I'm not too sure what a receipt is, but I would assume that like it's just a list of like what the player has purchased. I would assume. Prompt purchase finished, yeah. So fires when a purchase is finished. Does not fire for developed products or past prompts. So it only fires for affiliate gear sale, or other asset. Prompt bundle purchase finished. Prompt product purchase finished. Game Pass finished. And subscription purchase finished. Okay, so all of these will fire whenever a purchase is actually finished. Okay, and to process purchases, you need to use process receipt. So it says that this is an event that detects when a purchase prompt is closed. So I actually don't think this detects. I don't think this detects whenever like the player buys something, but just when the window closes. So no matter whether the player buys or not, I think just whenever the window closes, this will fire. Which actually we can test that right now. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll just say local player is equal to game.players wait for child the original lamp, which is my username. So just for quick testing, okay. The original lamp, and then I'll say marketplace service, and then let's prompt premium purchase, okay. Player. There we go. And then I'll say ms dot prompt premium purchase finished. Okay, let's see, is that the right one? Yeah, prompt premium purchase finished, connect function, and then we'll print finished, like so. So let's see how this actually works, okay? Because I am curious. Fascinating. This is giving me nothing. Maybe, okay, what if I wait 3 seconds? What's gonna happen then? Or does this have to be like a local script thing? Because that's gonna be annoying. Oh, never mind. Okay, there we go. So we just have to wait. So your Roblox Premium will get you blah 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 blah. Okay. So if I close this. Okay. Okay. So yeah. So it prints out whenever we close. What if I subscribe? What happens if I subscribe? Let's see. Okay. Yeah. There we go. So yeah. So basically, this event will fire. Yeah. Whenever the premium purchase thing like is closed. So whether the player purchased or not. So I think when once the thing is closed, I think that's when you have to run one of these events and check like, oh, does the player have premium? Oh, does the player have my product or whatever? And then go from there. Like, oh yeah, if the player has my product, then I can give them 20% movement speed or whatever. But yeah, so actually this is a great thing to learn. It's a great way to monetize your game. Obviously don't be stupid with it. Don't like fill up your screen with like microtransactions, but like if you're just smart with it, like, okay, fine, some guy may complain, but who cares when like the majority of the people are fine, and then you're gonna just earn a ton more money, which will allow you to make your game even better, right? So I'm all for monetizing your game. And yeah, so that's basically it with Marketplace Service, and we are back to basics. Thank you for watching.